If you want to transfer data from your old phone to Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, then you have two ways to do so. The first method is to use the Android switch that is built in the settings of Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. In that case, we can scroll down until you find backup or copy data, and then over here we have copy data using Android switch. This option allows you to transfer data between the old phone and the new phone. So you can press start over here in order to try to find your device and connect like this in order to start transferring. However, this option, at least for me, seems to be quite working not quite well. So if you have issues with that feature, you can also use a third-party app that allows you to transfer data. For example, Send Anywhere. I already have it on my old phone. You need to install it on both devices, of course. So in order to get it, we can open the Play Store. It is available on Play Store and App Store as well, in case you need to transfer data from an Apple device. And then over here, let's see. Let's enter the Send Anywhere name. There we go. Oh, I already have it installed. So I'm gonna just quickly uninstall and install again in order to show you how to set it up. All right, so let's open the app. The setup is pretty much identical on both devices. We need to agree to terms and service, and then the privacy policy, and press confirm. We need to grant access to files. There we go. You can also allow to send notifications. If you see this information about new updates, then we can select not now and then press OK. We can also use Wi-Fi Direct in case you need it, in case you want to use that instead. And now we can select on our old phone whatever we want to transfer. So we have different categories. We can start selecting. You can select, for example, photos, videos, apps, audio, and so on and so forth. So you can keep selecting everything that you wish to transfer. And after that, you should be able to press send over here at the bottom. This allows you to generate this 6-digit code and a QR code. So on the new phone, we want to press receive. Here we have input key, so we can tap here in order to enter this code, or you can use this QR code scan over here by tapping on this icon. So I'm gonna enter the code. There we go, let's press receive. And we should be able to transfer files pretty easily. There we go, you might see ads in the meantime, of course, but the app is completely free. Once it is done, you should be able to find your files that you just transferred on your phone at this point. So for example, you can go to the file manager, the files app. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!